Yes, exercise 8.3, class 7th, 6th question. Juhi sells a washing machine. This the selling price is they given. This selling price is given 13,500. She given this washing machine on the 20% loss. Then you will let here selling price is 100. 20% का loss होता है, then selling price is 80. The cost price you have to find out. Cost price नहीं है आपके पास. Then you have to find out in this question. By the cross multiplication, this 80 multiply x multiply this 13,500 multiplied by 100. By dividing it, you can find out the x. Okay, x means the CP value. This 0 cut by 0, 4 2 is 8, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. And after this, you will cut by this 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12, and 4 7 is 28, 2 is remainder, 4 5 is 20. After this, multiply this 3 3 7 5 multiply by 5, you will get it there. Cost price, final cost price is there 16875. Okay, cost price of washing machine is there 16875. Now the next question. One choke is given and ratio is given. Calcium, carbon and oxygen's ratio is given in this question number 7th, page number 171. Okay, 7th. Choke contain carbon, calcium, carbon and oxygen 10 ratio 3 ratio 12. And find the carbon in the choke. Percentage find करनी है आपको. Okay. Calcium is there 10, 3, 12. Sum of the ratio, this is the same method you have applied in the second question. Now sum of the ratio is there 25. जैसे आप मार्क्स फाइंड करते हो 9 में से 10 आए, देन दिस देयर कार्बन की वैल्यू है 3 आउट ऑफ 20. देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. व्हेन यू गेट इट द परसेंटेज, देन यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. 25 4 जा 100, देन 3 4 जा 12. परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन इज देयर 12%. आफ्टर दिस total percent is there 35. Then carbon is there 3 given. Second part में 3 gram given है. What is the weight of chalk stick? Chalk stick का weight क्या है total? तो अगर if the C is given, carbon is given in 3 and by the ratio, then total is there 25. Then the 3 gram, then the total stick is there 25 by 3 multiply 3, then there 25 gram. Okay, this CP value, 8th question is there. Anima buys a book for the 275 rupees and sells it the loss of 15%. How much did she sell it for it? Okay, how you will find out in this question? We have to find out the CP and SP. Now the 8th question. CP is 100 and SP is 85. So CP and SP you have to find out in this question. How much does the sell it for? क्यों बेचना है, कितना, how much, कितना बेचा उसने, कितने में बेचा. Then SP you have to find out. So we let it there. X, CP 100, SP 85, 15% loss. Loss is equal to 15%. So this 85 multiply 100 multiply X. 85 multiply 275 by dividing 100, you can get it X. 233.75 when you will divide it. 25 के टेबल से मैंने कट कर दिया. 25 बन जा 25, 25 बन जा 25 and 25 4 जा 100. 85 multiply 11 is that 935. By dividing 4, you will get it 233.75. This is the value of selling price. Okay. Selling price is equal to 233.75. Find the amount of we paid the end of 3 years. मतलब yearly given है 7 year, time is given and principal is given, percentage is given. You have to find out simple interest. What is the formula of simple interest? PRT principal, R means rate, T means time and dividing 100. First part 1200 percentage is there, rate is there 12% and year is 3, then 0. After this 144 multiplied by 3, then 432 rupees is their simple interest. वैल्यू क्या पे करेगा, 3 साल के बाद क्या पे करना पड़ेगा, 1200 plus 432 means the 1632 is the rupees. After this B part 7500 principal and rate is there 5%. Okay, now here time is same. PRT by dividing 100, P 0 से 0 कट, क्या रह गया 15, 5 3 जा 15, 75 multiplied by 15, you will get 1225. Okay, then add it, this you will get after 3 years you will pay this value 8925 rupees after 3 years. Okay, 10th question, what rate of the gives 280 rupees interest and sum of the 56,000 in 2 years. Rate you have to find out in this question. Rate आपको find करना है. What rate means rate find करना है. Interest given है 280 rupees, amount given है 56,000 and time given है. वही फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे PRT. जो जो चीज़ आपको given है उसको राइट कर दीजिए. Then simple interest is there 280, P is there 56,000, R is not here and T is there 2. Then 100 cut this 560 multiply by 2, then 280 by dividing 560 multiply by 2, R जिसको फाइंड करना है उसको साइड में कर देते हैं. Then 0 से 0 कट, 28 2 जा 56, 1/4 means the 0.25% rate. Okay, now the 11th question, Meena gives the interest of 45 rupees 1 year 9% rate per annum. What is the sum of has borrowed? कितने रुपीस पे किए आपको वो फाइंड करना है. प्रिंसिपल फाइंड करना है. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट है, सेम जो जो वैल्यू है उसको पुट कर देंगे. ईयर इज द 1, रेट इज देयर 9, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट देयर 45. पी यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट 45 multiplied by 100 by dividing 9 is there P. 9 5 is 45. You will get it there. P is equal to 500. Your answer is there. Principal 500. What is the sum he has borrowed? Okay.